yo, shout out to all my.
That's your mom doing
See? Li fait qu'elle m'a cassé qu'on y a la même bonne sous les passer boîte. Oh Jésus. What's up everyone? It's your girl Darlene, all up in your laka, your l'église, your leka. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's the little red button on the side. And don't forget to click the notification bell just so when I upload a new video you can always see it. Today's topic was inspired by the JC Who, or Haitian girl JC Who on Instagram. And when I was looking into the topic, I kind of feel like I can relate. Recently, I was on Instagram and I felt Judas on Instagram like always. You know, when you don't have nothing to do, just scrolling down. And I saw JC posted something saying that whenever she has her future kids, she will not raise them. Her family raised her, because at the end of the day, being raised in a Haitian household, although you be seeing, you know, the Haitian moms be like, and it's always fun and game, but in reality, a lot of us Haitian are suffering, okay? They are suffering from, I'm not gonna say abuse and toxic, because I feel like when Jesse was talking about it, people are saying, oh, toxic, what are you trying to say? It is too much. Like, it's something that we need to talk about. Haïtien yo, m'a bese parler ensemble avec nous de ça son bagay qui affecte dans la vie moi, et ça son bagay qui affecte ton petit frère dans la vie tout. M'pas dit que nous mal levé nous, comprendre, mais non. Ok, sou pense m'a bay menti bon ba nou 6 exemples nou mele. But son bagay nou supposé parler de li, something that we need to talk about. Let's get started. Number 1 to number 6. Let's go. Number 1. Numéro 1. Parents haïtiens toujours penser ou doit yo tout bagay. They always think we owe them everything. If you give birth to me, it's your responsibility to take care of me. I don't care how old I am. I'm not saying I'm not supposed to be taking care of you. I know that as it's my right because I'm your daughter. I have to be in a position where I can take care of you. But don't make it seem like I have to take care of you financially, whatever it is. I have to be there no matter. I mean, I know I have to be there, but don't make it. If I'm not able to take care of you, pas vin dim ou dwem ou c'est si ou c'est là. Oh, they're always bringing. Look at me, I'm snapping right now. I'm snapping. That's how angry I am. They're always bringing that. They always bringing past experience when they were raising us. Like, it's not like I don't want to hear it, but don't make me feel bad. Like, stop. Number 2, if you are the oldest, to say big grand from you can relate to what I'm about to say. If you are the oldest, parents haïtiens besoin pour job everything you're doing in your life so you can take care of the youngest siblings, right? They want the oldest to forget everything that going on in their life, pretty much like shut my whole life down so I can take care of the siblings. Listen, my problem, you know, I don't have a problem doing that, but how you expect me just not to go to school, you know, pas à l'école, rete chita travail, crase do mwen, just so I can take care of the loan. There's no problem. Pas de problem with that. Pas un problem si ma fête, but while I'm doing it, I have to do something for myself too, because I have to make sure I'm happy. Ou pas ka just fin fati moun nan lev nou vle, you know, I know it's my brother, I know it's my sister, I know, but at the end of the day, I need to focus on myself too. Ou kompren? Fam focus sou tèt mwen. You know? Et puis pi grand, I feel like pi grand yo pa jam bay pi grand love, c'est pi piti an. Oh Jésus. Gon pou ya kwa al monte sou mwen la, gon 6% ki pou al fet pou sou mwen la, but fòm pale. Numéro 3. Yeah, I'm gonna say it, it's just like, it's kind of like emotional. I kind of feel like when the mother and the father have the kids or the children, if something happened in the relationship, the kids ended up suffering. Si maman ensemble avec papa t'es ensemble, et puis on bagay gen doit passer yo entre yo. Et puis si moun nan mitan c'est li passe misère pour yo. I don't really see that from the mother side. M'pas tellement ouais problème ça nan parti maman, c'est nan parti papa m toujours well. Si ou pas ensemble avec fille encore, si moun nan pas supposé souffrir. Parce que si moun nan pas demandé pour le te fait. Vous comprenez, nous faire li c'est droit nous pour nous aider si moun nan no matter what. Vous comprenez ça m'dou, si moun nan pas supposé souffrir. Et en pile fois tout let si moun nan vin turn out to be like that. Ou après yo grandi sans papa, si ti garçon papa gen un garçon qui te levé li ou ka ouais l'elle commence dans l'âge li grandi ou non jeune garçon li pas gon structure tant que son garçon te levé, vous comprenez ça m'dou là et puis en pile fois tout c'est là d'ailleurs tout ou connait qui dans drogue, qui dans prison, qui dans ceci, qui dans tout c'est là, vous comprenez ça m'dou là. It's because once you married or once you have a child with this woman, you just decided you're not with the lady no more, and then you just decided just like, okay, I'm done with her and I'm done with the kids too. It doesn't go like that. Like, son mentalité qui supposée changer. Vous comprenez, son bagay qui supposée changer. I know they're gonna get mad at me for doing this, but like I said, hashtag for m'parler. And it sak people encore, nobody wanna talk about it. You know what I mean? Nobody wanna talk about it. And the other day, I was so shocked when I see Jesse posted it on Instagram. And I'm like, okay. And then I start communicating with a bunch of people. They're like, girl, you have no idea. And everything they're saying, it's like I can relate to, you know. And Jessie just posted a video. I'll probably put her link down below so you can go see her videos as well. But on pile bagay que n'a parlé là, on pile nan nou ka relate to. So that was number 3. Number 4. Parents haïtiens toujours ap mette petit yo deyo. Bon, on mette m deyo. Comment on va faire docteur ou bien comment on va faire nurse? Parce que imaginez, you kick me out. Now I'm gonna be on my own. I gotta find my own job now. So pretty much I'm gonna be focused on paying bills. I'm not gonna be focused on school. I'm not gonna be focused on school. And you want me to be infirmière? You want me to be doctor? You want me to be avocat? How am I gonna do it when you kick my behind out? How am I gonna do it when you change the locks? How am I gonna do it when Mama so good? How? Dis-moi encore, expliquez-moi. Number 5. Once they know you bad, they have to send you back to your country. Okay? You gave birth to me, right? It's your right to raise me. It's your job to raise me. If I'm being bad, it's your job. Okay, I don't have a problem by sending them back to their country. There is nothing wrong by sending your kids to Haiti if they're being bad. But what I'm saying is, I kind of feel like, again, if you're sending them back to Haiti just to remember where they came from, or just to know how the Haitian life is back there, and how some part of Haiti there's a lot of poverty, and how they should be grateful for food, how they should be grateful for thank you Jesus, hallelujah, béni soit l'Éternel. It's not fair. I mean, all joke aside though, there's nothing wrong by doing that. Like, your kids being bad, you want to make sure they remember where they came from. You want to make sure how they see, you know, how they should be grateful for things they have in their life. There's nothing wrong with that. But if I was on your shoes, if I was a Haitian mother, I would take my child, take them to where I was raised, and teach them certain things in Haiti. How, listen, look at this kid. You're grateful to have this in your life. You know, you need to act right. All of this thing. Like, you just ship me to Haiti like m'son kontene. M'son kontene. Bon, ferme bouche mwen. Yo, sis, they always comparing you to Sister Martine, to Sister Giovanni. Listen, petit so and so get an gekai, petit so and so get an batisa pou maman, petit so and so. Listen, ou pa konen si petit Marie Joe, petit se Marie nan cocaine. Mpa nan cocaine, okay? I'm not selling drugs out there. I'm struggling, like they say, my bad lo pou m'fè be. Ou kompren? So if I have the opportunity to, if I had the opportunity to take care of the whole family, m'da fel. I have the opportunity, I'm not a selfish person, I will do it. But at this moment, there's a time for everything. If I can give you the car that you want, for now, just wait on it. If I can give you the perfect house that you want, Just wait on it. There's a time for that. Let me finish until ma veti infirmière. Let me na veti docteur. Konya get please l'argent. Et ma baoul. Konya, when you comparing me to other gars ça get un avocat. Pourquoi me supposé faire avocat là ou te mette m'dehors? Why? It's too much. Please. I'm talking. We all need to faire révolution, manifestation. Nous pas boule caoutchouc, no? But we need to talk about it. After all of this, I don't even think Haitian parents are that bad. Because, yeah, they do care for the kids. But they do a lot of things good. And there's a lot of things that they could have been, prevented and tried to make it healthy for us. They think it's healthy, but it's not. It's really not. It's not healthy. Because imagining you calling your kid's name. Whatever you say with your mouth. Comment c'est balancer comment balancer encore. T'es pas toi dire ça avec bouche toujours become a reality. Whatever you say with your mouth, histoire dans Bible. You can remember the Bible story. Baby, you remember the Bible story, the Bible verse that says whatever say with your mouth. Just me get not embarrassed big boy. No. Oba li Bible tout non. It needs to be changed. M'baka faire ça non devant yo parce ou fait action ça devant yo petit on coûte sandal ou bien on coûte balai parce que botte tout. Frush. Sometimes you gotta be a ninja. You know? Thank you again for listening to my struggle, my problem, stuff that you can relate to if you're Haitian. Thank you for your love and support like always. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get the goofy side of me, the crazy side of me, the anything side of me, you know. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, to press the little bell, Comment on dit s'abonner? Comment on dit en français, babe? S'abonner sur ma channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. Mwah.